If your Mac or 3D printer is having trouble with a microSD card, this quick guide will help you to sort it out. Follow these steps to make sure your card is recognized and formatted correctly for your 3D printing adventures. Step 1. Check the connection. First things first, make sure the microSD card is snugly inserted into the card reader or adapter connected to your Mac. Sometimes it's just a loose connection causing the problem. Step 2. Open Disk Unity. Click on the magnifying glass in the top right corner of your screen, or press Command plus spacebar to open Spotlight Search. Type Disk Unity and hit Enter. This handy tool will help us out. Step number 3. Identify the card. If your Mac doesn't recognize the card, there might be a physical issue. Check if the card is damaged or if the card reader is faulty. Some readers doesn't work with Mac, so it also may be a problem. Step 4. Erase and format. Once your Mac identifies the card, click on it and hit Erase button. Choose the FAT32 format. It's the best bet for 3D printers. Give your card a name if you want. If FAT32 isn't available, pick any format from list. Step 5. Try printing. After formatting, try exporting some G-code and start your 3D printing adventure. So, this video provides a solution for common problems. If the issue persists, you've gained some basics to help you troubleshoot further. Happy 3D printing!